In this video, I want to talk about AVSAI, or AVSAI, which stands for Air Valley Software AI. And it is a fast, free, local AI service which you can install on your computer, and you can use it in Rightbooth to remove backgrounds from photos and also face swap services. So you can swap one face from one photo onto another image. It also handles multiple faces as well. So let's have a look at where you can get it. So you can get AVSAI from rightbooth.com/AVSAI, and here we are. You can download it here. It's 200 megabytes roughly. So as I say, it installs and runs locally on your computer. There's no need to connect to any remote AI service, and there's no internet required. It's free to use, but it only works from within Rightbooth. So you don't have to pay any AI credits or subscriptions. It integrates seamlessly with Rightbooth, and I'll show you that in a minute. It removes image backgrounds in less than 2 seconds, which is pretty quick. It can also swap faces in images in less than 5 seconds per face, and it can actually handle more than one face in each photo. Requirements: you need a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM on your computer, ideally 16 gigabytes or more. So I'm going to show you quickly how you install it. Hit the download button and you end up with this setup program in your downloads folder. So let's just have a go at it. Now, I've already installed it on this computer, but I'll do it again just so you can see the process. So double click the setup. You have to select that install option. So it will install into the folder C:\AVSAI. That's where it should go. Now, after it's downloaded, it's going to install Python and quite a lot of files that support the service that I've written. So you have to be patient here. This can take possibly up to 10 minutes. Now, during this installation process, there might be some errors. You might see some errors. If you see any errors, contact me on support@rightbooth.com, and I'll see if I can sort it out for you. It's quite a complicated install, is this. So it might not work first time, or it might work first time. You'll find out when you try it in Rightbooth. Once it's installed, it will tell you that the AVSAI install is completed, so you can now start using this in Rightbooth. So you can close this down here. So let's have a look at Rightbooth. So what I'll do is I'm going to use some of these example images to show you how it works. So I'm going to go into Settings, AI. Now, by default, Rightbooth, for background removal, it uses an AI service provider, and that's one of these here. Now, obviously, when you're using a service provider, Rightbooth has to upload the photo to the service. The remote service will then remove the background, and then Rightbooth downloads the result. So you have to subscribe to one of these accounts, and it costs money. So we don't want to do that. We want to use AVSAI. So just select it here. Now, if you haven't already got the app, you can click this button here to take you back to the website that I've just shown you. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test this process. So I'm going to use this photo, which is my mugshot. Now, the first time you use this, it's going to take longer than normal, and that's because Rightbooth has to initialize the AVSAI background removal service. So let's just do this. Click the test button. And that took about 5, 8 seconds, something like that. Let's try a different image. Let's go for this guy. So, because I've done this once, Rightbooth has opened up the service. You can actually see it on my taskbar here. And this is it. It's just sat there waiting. So you have to have this service running down on the taskbar. So let's just try this again using this test photo to remove the background and watch how quick it is. It's almost instant. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. Again, click now and it's there. So you can see it's pretty quick. It's quicker than all the other options that Rightbooth offers for background removal. So you might want to make use of it that way. Obviously, once you've set it up like this, if there's any background replacement features that you need in your event, Rightbooth will do them at that speed, so it'll be very quick. Okay, let's have a look at face swap. Now, by default, face swapping in Rightbooth has been done using the API market. Let's just have a look at them. It's these two services, this face swap service and this media upload service. Now, typically, the face swap using these services can take up to 30 seconds because Rightbooth has to upload both the initial photo and the face swap image to the service. Then the service performs the face swap and Rightbooth then downloads the result. So it's quite a long time for it to happen. Let's see what happens if we switch to AVSAI. You switch it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mugshot and I'm going to choose one of these other images. So let's pick one here. I'll go for, well, let's try the robots. Let's do that first. So I'm going to swap my face into the robot's face. So this is the first time I'm going to be using face swap, so it will take longer than the rest of the time. So let's just do this the first time. So click test. Rightbooth is initializing the face swap service and then it will perform the swap. So first time through, it's going to take maybe 20 seconds to set up and initialize and then do the swap. And here you can see the swap has happened. Let me try that again now. If we look down on the taskbar, you can see there are two services running. There's the background service. There's also this face swap service. So again, these two services have to be running. Okay, let's try performing the swap again and watch how quick it is this time. Test now. That was about 5 seconds. Let's try another one. I'm going to open up this guy here. So let's go for that image. And I'll try the swap again. Click now. And there we go. Let's just do a quick comparison. So as you can see, it's pretty accurate. Okay, let's try a photo that's got two faces in it. So I'm going to open up this picture and I'm going to swap our faces into this one, this space image. So that's this one. Okay, let's hit the test button. That took 9 seconds to do both of the faces. As you can see, it's pretty accurate. Let's just zoom this in. Try another one. Let's take these guys and we'll do the test again. I'm going to time this one this time, so I'm going to start a stopwatch here. Let's click test. That was just over 10 seconds to do both faces. Okay, so let's just try again with a single face. So let's go for back to me, and I'll swap for the superhero. So let's just put him up here. Here we go. Right, let's click the test. So we're doing a single face swap here. Start the test. That took 6 seconds. You can see it's done a pretty good job. So as I say, this is all happening locally. There's no internet required. It doesn't cost you anything, but it only works from within Rightbooth. So I hope you can see that this is quite a powerful addition to Rightbooth, and I hope you make use of it. Let's just try one more. Let's just remove the background on this. Watch how quick this is. It's so fast. It's really, really good. Let's take this again. It's almost instant. Okay, I hope you make use of it, and thanks for watching.